Hello! So this video is going to help us know how to record a lesson with Zoom. There's lots of different applications we know that can record a lesson and your voice with the students, but since most of us are using Zoom for our office hours and things like that, at least on our campus we know that, just trying to see, let's use the tool as much as possible. So what you're going to do in order to record a Zoom is obviously open up Zoom, and I'm doing this all on my computer, and I'm going to go to New Meeting. Hello. And I'm just going to do join computer audio. Yeah, always select that. So I am just basically making a meeting with just myself. So if I wanted to talk to the students, I could start out with a little hello, how are you doing? If I want them to see me. So what you're going to do is once you've opened up Zoom, you start a meeting with just yourself. You're going to go here to more, and you're going to record on this computer. So you're going to see recording up here. That's how you know that it is recording. So I would say, hello students, I'm going to walk you through the math problem or whatever we're going to be doing. And so in order to do that, then I would hit share screen. And when I select share screen at the bottom, I have some choices up here. I'm not familiar with all these choices. I'm sure y'all can play around with it. But basically you can share your screen or you can share a whiteboard. So if I wanted to share the screen with the students, which I know a lot of us did that in our PLCs, we did our Zoom PLCs, but I would choose screen and share, and then y'all can see my screen, and I know that because up here it says stop share. So if I wanted you to see this Word document, maybe our whole PLC is working on a document together, or if I have the students, hello, I can show them all of that, and you can still see my face, or I can minimize it so I disappear, whatever you want. But basically I can walk through the students and show them as I'm typing on a document. I'm going to stop share. And then I can also choose to share screen, and I can do whiteboard. So I'm going to select whiteboard and share, and that's probably something you're used to, like explain everything, things like that. Again, you can see me, hello. Maybe I could hold up a little math problem here and show it to everybody, and then work it out here. Whatever works. I haven't figured out how to add pictures or anything, but you can say hi and work out problems or however you want to do it. There's some features. Hello. So you can play around with it. You guys, I'm sure, are going to figure out some cool features with this, but that at least kind of starts us exploring it. So I'm going to do stop share. And so I'll be able to say hi to the students. And then what I would do is I would end the meeting. And what's going to happen is it's automatically, let me end meeting for all. It's going to pop up because I hit that record button. It's going to convert meeting recording. So you have a recording that needs to be converted before viewing. So basically the computer is automatically downloading the audio and the visual of what we just recorded. So if you want to fast forward as you're watching this video, you can, but I'll show you what happens when it pops up. Okay, and what's going to happen is it's automatically going to pop up with the window of where the computer has saved it. So you're going to see mine at least defaulted under documents, and I have Zoom, and it's going to have all of the recordings that I have recorded. Here's audio only if you just want to record your voice and the students can hear something, and here is with the actual file. So this is the file I'm going to upload to our drive right now, and is how you access this video so that you can watch it on your own time. So I hope that helped.